The question of teacher sick-out days was back in a courtroom today, but this time in federal court. LEX 18's Jacqueline Nye reports.
The subpoenas issued by the state labor cabinet seek the names of teachers who may have used sick days to protest in Frankfort. On some of these days of protest, teachers' absences forced several districts to cancel classes. Attorney General Andy Beshear filed a temporary restraining order to block the subpoenas, originally in Frankfort Circuit Court. But the case was moved to federal court last week after the labor cabinet argued the constitutional rights at play are federal, not state. During a hearing today, Attorney General Beshear's office filed a motion to send the case back to Franklin Circuit.
Those fines would have to come out of state law. It doesn't have anything to do with federal law. It doesn't have anything to do with the First Amendment to the U.S. Constitution.
But Governor Bevin's office disagrees.
What overrides this whole case is the federal First Amendment question, the right to free assembly and the right to free speech.
The Jefferson County Teachers Association has joined Beshear in the lawsuit, afraid teachers could face up to $1,000 per sick day in fines.
Schools can close for any number of reasons, and we can't specifically identify which teachers it was that pushed it to a point where there weren't enough substitutes.
Governor Bevin's office says it's against the law for public employees to engage in public work stoppages, and it's up to the labor cabinet to determine who broke the law and who didn't.
We cannot have an efficient system of schools in this state if teachers are allowed to engage in work stoppages and call off schools for days upon end.
The deadline for school districts to respond to the subpoena is Friday. The judge said a decision about moving the case back to state isn't likely before then. Covering the news in Lexington, Jacqueline Nye, LEX 18 News.